If you're running a WordPress website, you already know how frustrating spam registrations can be. They clog up your dashboard, fill your site with unwanted junk users, and make managing your community an uphill battle. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to put an end to spam registrations quickly and reliably. By the end, you'll have real proven strategies in place to keep your user base clean, secure, and easy to manage. Let's jump right into the most effective solution, using dedicated anti-spam plugins. Now, WordPress itself doesn't come with powerful anti-spam protections built in for registrations. That's why third-party plugins are so valuable here. These are tools that specialize in recognizing and stopping spam, often before it ever reaches your site. They do this by connecting to constantly updated global databases of known spammers and suspicious patterns, so they're always one step ahead. One of the top names in the game is CleanTalk. I genuinely recommend CleanTalk, especially if you're looking for something that just works without making your visitors jump through hoops. What makes CleanTalk stand out is that it blocks spam not just in registrations, but also in comments and orders, all without forcing people to solve annoying CAPTCHAs. Think of it like a silent bouncer at your door. It checks every new visitor against a huge list of known spammers and only lets in the good ones. Setup is straightforward. After you install and activate the plugin, you connect it with your site using an access key. Most settings come pre-configured, but you can easily fine-tune them for your specific needs. The best part is your users won't notice it's there. Registrations stay smooth, with no extra puzzles or delays. That's a big win for user experience. Another excellent option is Akismet. You might have seen Akismet already handling your blog comments, but did you know you can actually use it for other forms, including your registration forms? If you're using a form builder plugin like WP Forms, integrating Akismet is pretty painless. This adds a valuable layer of protection because spammers often switch tactics. When they see comments are protected, they target registration instead. Akismet's huge global spam database helps you identify fake users, even if their tactics change over time. So by extending Akismet to your registration forms, you're covering a big loophole that many sites miss. If you want a broader security suite that does a little bit of everything, take a close look at All-in-One Security or AIOS. This plugin isn't just for stopping registration spam, it helps tighten up your entire site's defenses. When it comes specifically to registrations, AIOS offers features like form protection and the ability to connect with Cloudflare Turnstile, a new tool that helps guarantee your forms are being filled out by real human visitors. Imagine it as a set of layered shields around your site, making it really tough for bots or mass spammers to break through. Setting it up is user-friendly, with step-by-step guides built right into the plugin dashboard, so don't worry if you're not super technical. Take the time to walk through its options, and you can dial in the level of protection that feels right for your community. Whichever plugin you choose, remember, keeping spam out works best when you actually keep your tools up to date. So make a habit of checking for updates regularly and testing your registration forms once in a while to make sure everything's running smoothly. With these strategies, spam registrations should become a thing of the past. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and don't hesitate to drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more clear, easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials like this. Happy site building!